Hi children, welcome to VIN school. I am Maithili here. Now we are going to see what are all the deficiency diseases. Okay. See, take your textbook, take page number 297. What? 297. Okay. Come, we'll see. What is the nutrient? Carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates. If you are not having more if you are not eating what? Food which is less in carbohydrate means what will happen? Some deficiency diseases will come. What is that? The name of the disease is called marasmus. Okay. What? Marasmus. It is mostly found in children. Okay. It comes for children. Mostly it will come in children. Okay. Very thin. What are the symptoms? Very thin body with loose skin. Child is dull and cranky all the time. Okay. So, the child will be very dull and cranky all the time, and he will be what? Very thin body. He will have very thin body with loose skin. Okay. So, what type of food he should eat? The child should eat wheat, rice, maize and potato. So, understood children? So, you should also eat properly, otherwise what will happen? Okay, you will also get deficiency diseases if you are not eat your food properly. Okay. So, eat wheat, that means chapatis, rice, maize, potato and all. Okay. Then, see if proteins, nutrient is protein. What? Protein. If protein is not there, what will happen in our body? The disease will come. What disease? Kwashiorkor. What? Kwashiorkor. Okay. So, what are the symptoms? Moon faced, swollen abdomen and weak limbs. Okay. Moon faced. The face will be circle and swollen abdomen. Okay. And weak limbs. See here the picture like this. So, for this, to avoid this, what disease we should have? We should foods like eggs, fish, meat. Okay. Eggs, fish, meat, pulses, beans. If you are a vegetarian, go for pulses and beans. If you are non-vegetarian, eat more eggs, fish and meat. Okay. Understood? You can get it both in veg as well as non-veg food also. Okay. No need to worry about whether you are a vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Okay. You can get all the nutrients in veg food as well as non-veg food. Okay children. Come, we will see the next nutrient, that is nothing but iron. What? Iron. This is a mineral, one type of mineral. Okay, if our body is will have lack of iron means what will happen? What deficiency disease will come? Anemia. What? Anemia. Low hemoglobin in blood. What it means? Low hemoglobin in blood. So, what will happen? Tiredness and weakness. Skin turns pale. That is the symptoms. Okay. Tiredness and weakness. Okay. Skin turns pale. So, we should eat peanuts, jaggery, dates, eggs, green vegetables, apples and bananas. That is why chicky and all you know, no? Peanut chicky, that is very good. You can get what? Iron in that. Okay. So, chickies and all you can eat, you can get iron from that. Okay. So, peanut and jaggery, they will make with both of these things, no? Yes. So, you should consume peanuts, jaggery, dates, eggs, green vegetables, apples and bananas. Okay children. Okay. So, come we will see the next nutrient, that is nothing but calcium. Okay. This is also one type of mineral. Okay. If it is not there, what will happen? What deficiency disease will come? Osteoporosis. What? Osteoporosis. So, what are the symptoms? Weak and brittle bones. Okay. Weak and brittle bones. So, what are all the food we need to avoid this disease? We should consume milk, fish, meat, pulses and nuts. Okay. Pulses and nuts. Okay. Understood children? Next, what is the next nutrient? Vitamin A. Okay. Vitamin A. Okay. If we are not having vitamin A in our body, what disease will come? Night blindness. What? Night blindness. If you are not consume vitamin A rich foods, for what? What disease will come? Night blindness. So, what is the symptom? Unable to see in dim light. We can't able to see in dim light, that means in night and all we can't see, that's why it is called night blindness. Okay, we can't able to see in night, okay, if light is not there, night blindness. So we should consume carrots, papaya, spinach, tomato, milk, fish. Okay, carrots, papaya, spinach, tomato, milk and fish. Okay, come we will see the next nutrient, that is nothing but vitamin B. If you are not consuming vitamin B food for a long period, means what will happen? Beriberi and araboflavinosis. Okay, araboflavinosis, this is what name of the disease, deficiency disease. So what are the symptoms? Weak nerves and muscles. Okay, ulcers in the mouth. What will happen? That's why if you have ulcers in the mouth, the doctor will give vitamin B complex tablets. Okay, that you know, you will get ulcers. What wounds? Small wounds in your mouth, in your lips, inside your mouth. That is due to the lack of beriberi. Okay, that lack of water, that is called beriberi, that is due to the lack of vitamin B. Okay, so what food we should eat for that, to avoid that? Milk, eggs, unpolished cereals, green vegetables. So we should eat milk, eggs, unpolished cereals, green vegetables. Okay children, so these are all the deficiency diseases, okay, due to the lack of these nutrients, and these are all the symptoms, and these are all the food what we need to avoid these diseases. Understood? So these are all the what? Deficiency diseases due to the lack of these nutrients. Okay. So these are all the symptoms of the diseases, and these are all the food that what we eat to avoid these diseases. Understood children? Okay. Okay. Now come to the next page. See here, vitamin C. Vitamin C is the nutrient. If you are not having vitamin C rich food, what will happen? We will get the deficiency disease, scurvy. What it is called? Scurvy. So what are the symptoms? Bleeding and swollen gums. See, these are all the gums. This is the gums. Okay. So what will happen? Blood will come out. That is the bleeding and swollen gums. So to avoid that, what we should have? Tomatoes, citrus fruits and amla. Okay. Tomatoes, citrus fruits, amla. Okay. Come, we will see the next nutrient, that is nothing but vitamin D. Okay, vitamin D. So what will happen if you are not having vitamin D rich food? Rickets. The disease will rickets. So what are the symptoms? Bowed legs. The leg will be bowed. Okay, the bend like this. So to avoid that, what we should have? Fish, milk, eggs, and exposure to sunlight. Okay, so we should stand in early morning sunlight is very good for our health. We get vitamin D from that. Okay, from sunlight. Okay children, that's why in our school and all we are organizing prayer. What's the need of prayer? Because the children will come to school, no, early morning they will get up and get ready and come to school, and sitting inside the class means they won't get the sunlight. So how they will get the sunlight? Sunlight is very good for the skin now. We can get vitamin D. So to get that early morning sunlight, our elders arrange they arrange prayer system. Okay, assembly and all. So by in standing in the sunlight, the children will get some amount of sunlight. Okay, that's one of the reason for the assembly or prayer. Okay, which is arranged in the schools. Okay, children. Come, we will see the next nutrient, iodine. Iodine. So what is the deficiency disease? Goiter. What? Goiter. So what is the symptom? Dwarfism, low mental activity. Okay, dwarfism and low mental activity. So to avoid this disease, we should consume iodized salt sea fish. Okay, we should take sufficient amount of salt, iodized salt and all. We will get no Annapurna iodized salt. Okay, it will contain more iodine in it. Okay, and sea fish. So sea and all, sea fish, no, From fish we can get water, iodine. Okay. Understood children? So, these are all the water deficiency diseases. How we can prevent them by having which type of food and all. Okay.